Hello guys, good afternoon. Happy Easter Friday. Easter was on Sunday, and if this is your first time on this channel, my name is Anastasia. If not, hello my love, thank you so much for being back. Today I am in my wonderful trusty location. I actually just came out from church. It's currently 11 degrees Celsius and 53 degrees Fahrenheit. It's quite cold. I'm trying to gather my thoughts and now to scroll up a tree. But for today's video, I just want to talk about during the period of Lent, I learned so much. I did a lot of self-reflection, and I think I would love to share one of what I learned throughout the season. And I did go to church, I did go to church during Lent, and the first, all the sermons, there's some that really spoke to my soul, and I would like to share those as well. So one of it is, this one talks about, let's say, judgment. So in this day and age, I see a lot of people passing judgment. I see a lot of religion, a lot of people saying what is right and wrong. And the good thing is that we all inherently know what the right thing is to do and what the wrong thing is. However, sometimes people take it upon themselves to judge and pass judgment on people. And one thing that I learned during this Easter during Lent that has been very revolutionary to me is this is something that we all inherently know. And if you don't know, give me the pleasure of letting you know that we're all sinners. We've all come short of God's glory. We've all, none of us is righteous enough or good enough or well enough. And I'm not saying this to maybe make you sad or dampen you. No, it's the opposite. It's more to inspire you, because although we're all sinners, although we have a lot of shortcomings, although we're not perfect, God is not asking us to be perfect. God, all He's asking for us is to come. He's asking for us to come in our imperfection, come in our worries, come in our fears, come in our uncertainty, and He's going to give us rest. He's the way, He's the truth, He's the light. So when no matter where you are in life, no matter where you feel, how guilty you feel, because guilt is something that I really struggle with. No matter how fearful you feel for the future, for your family, for whatever it is, for the wars that are going on, whatever you feel, just go to Jesus. I know this is something that we all at some point might have heard, but this Easter or this Lent, it struck me in a different way, whereby we can never be righteous enough to be righteous for God. But God is not saying we should be righteous to come to Him. He's asking sinners, which is all of us, to come, and He's going to give us rest. He's asking us to come in our uncertainty, come in our in anything, come as you are. He's asking us to come. So anybody that is there preaching from now to tomorrow, anyone that is there doing above and beyond, I know some religion don't let people this was the example I was given this morning. Some religion don't let people wear trousers or pants, and people follow a lot of strict religious practices, strict things to be to live a life worthy of God's love. But newsflash, people, you're never going to do enough to be worthy enough for God's love, and that is okay. He's asking you, even though you're not worthy, come. So for all those people passing judgment to people, telling people you will go to hell or you are not worthy, or all of that stuff, stop it. Just stop it. Focus on your journey with God. Focus on your path with God, or your path for with faith in God, and don't discourage other people, because God is asking them as well to come. So, and like, there is no, you cannot do enough to be worthy. So even in your shortcomings, just go to God. And this is something that really did strike me. It really did strike me, because I have seen and even seen a lot of judgmental, very critical people online and even in person, and I see people say what is worth God's love, and what is worth, like, who are you to say, this person is not worthy of God's love? Like, are you worthy? We're not. None of us are. But God is. He loves us even before we love Him. He loved us even when we're sinners. He loved us even when we are not worth it. He came down. He suffered betrayal. He suffered, condemnation. He suffered persecution, all for us. And even then, we still did not love Him. Even then, we still condemned Him. And He still, like, at any point, Jesus would have said, you know what? Yeah, I call it, like, I'm off. Call it off. I don't care anymore. You guys don't deserve it. I'm going. But He didn't do it. The entire time, He wanted us. He wanted us to come. He wanted us to be redeemed. He loved us. He loves us. So yeah, that's it. Anyways, remember to like, subscribe, comment, and if there's any part of this word that touched you, let me know. And I'm sharing this not because I feel like let's say this, I'm sharing this for all the right reasons. If in any part in your heart you feel this girl is saying this because of this and that, and if it's not a positive thing, then that is not why I'm sharing it. So only positives. I want people to know that they are loved. I want people to know that they are forgiven. I want people to know that it doesn't cost you anything to go and be free and be at peace and be loving. Just go to God, honestly. And the one thing is Jesus promised us is that He's going to get us through every and anything. He doesn't say, Jesus never said we're not going to be, we're never going to face hard times. Like, if there's anything, if as Christians, we know, like followers of Christ, Jesus faced all of those. Like, who are we to think we're not going to face those? We're going to face those, but His promise is that He's going to be with us through it. He's going to get us through it. He's going to give us the strength through it. So, yeah, I have to, it's getting colder. I have to take off my sweater because I want to film the second video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you so much. It's a it's like a gorgeous day. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a really beautiful day. But yeah, I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to be alive. I'm excited, it's April. Actually, I didn't say it. Happy April, guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye.